got a head here we're going to work on. This is going to be some kind of a creature. So we've lined out for the nose and stuff what we want. For right now, we've made these ears, which are going to go on here, and we have these horns that we're going to be putting on here on the sides, and we got the mouth. So we're going to start by lining out this nose part, because I always start with the center and work my way out. You want to start with your farthest point out and work your way back. So most of the time it's going to be your nose area that you're going to start with. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put them in the comment section. I'll get back with you. So we're going to use these different cutters here, which you can find on the Dremel website, or Amazon is good. This is good for shaving off. These are good for cutting, different types of cutting that we're going to do. So we're going to start with this smaller one and kind of get this nose lined out. See where we made our reference lines where we want to go. So this has to go down a lot deeper so we get a good bridge to the nose that we want. So we're going to take part of this off here and keep working on that. remember is you want to keep this low in this area here, and you can always come up for the eyes. Now these eyes are probably going to be a little lower when I get to that point, but you always want to make sure you start this low, and then you can come up as you need to go. If you go too high, then you can't come down. So always start low and work your way up. So I'm going to use this shaping tool here and just kind of smooth this out some, and then we'll come back with the next step. Thanks for watching.